Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
All right, please note that the language and ideas presented on the show might not be suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, make sure your mom isn't around. If you're over 80, why is your mom around?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
All right, here on Cyrus Says, a special episode featuring The Pew. The cast is Amit Doshi, May, and Kunal, and myself. We'll discuss politics, geography, and above all, the need for South Mumbaikars to understand people outside their space.
Why follow your auntie's advice when you can follow Cyrus Says on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated about the latest shows?
All right, on Cyrus Says, I had my first Uber experience. I sat in an Uber car for the first time. Here are my complaints. They must be allowed to break red lights. There's got to be an understanding that we live in a culture where red lights can't mean red lights. Red lights means occasionally you stop, occasionally you go. If it's 5 in the morning, you're catching a plane, there's nobody around for 6 kilometers, you break the red light. But my Uber guy says no. He is told he can never break a red light. I say, Uber, listen, you have to adapt to Indian conditions. It's called Cyrus Says.
And that's what Cyrus says.
And on Cyrus Says, on this special episode, unfortunately, the guest who was supposed to show up had a bit of an issue and couldn't make it, probably because of the red light in Malad, which takes about 4 hours to actually change into green. In the meantime, we have a special episode. I'd like to call it special.
It is special, very special.
But it's special in many different ways. As in special as, my child is special because they're the backward child in the class. Like
Special
that.
needs.
Special needs, exactly. I didn't want to say that because that's a controversial thing. But let me introduce everybody we've got May, the famous, celebrated radio jockey, award-winning, 7-time award-winning Gulf radio jockey.
That is such
She's won the highest award in Muscat, which is you can stay back for a week.
I've never been to Muscat in my life.
And Amit, of course, who's our producer and visionary, who's worn the same clothes as the Uber car driver for the last 1 week. And let me tell them the truth about Amit. Amit has got a citation from Uber India as a top 20 customers. He's made the list of top 20 customers who've used Uber. That's huge, Baba. A lot of respect and fantastic. And he carries it with him. He's really proud. It's like a Pulitzer in his hand where he holds it up. And of course, we have Kunal Vijayekar, who's here with a brand new show called The News That Wasn't, which is a daily. So let's start with you, Kunal.
Well, thank you very much, Cyrus. Coming on your show is like a sponsored trip out of town.
Especially since you were coming just to pick me up for a meeting and we pushed you into the studio. We'd like to call this show The View, which is our Indian version of The View. May came up with this idea that we'd have a Bengali version of it, and so hence the Burr. So The View. And that's what we call it. Where we all have opinions, since we all do. Sorry, Kunal. The news that wasn't, you were telling us.
So it's the same recycled show that we've been doing for the last 10 years.
I love your brutal honesty. And the fact that half the footage is already shot.
Nothing
2007.
Nothing new. In fact, it's become simpler because it's become shorter.
That's right.
So from doing a good 30-minute thing, we are down to doing 10 minutes.
So it's almost like sex. You begin and the man can go on for 30 minutes in his 20s. And by the time
I didn't know this.
Well, you began, no idea. You began in your 30s. So it's a whole different equation. But coming back to, as you go older, it becomes shorter and shorter. You would not understand this about Indian men. You date exclusively European men, East European.
No, I date some
Desis?
Indian men.
You have the odd thing you're not proud of. All right. Coming back, Kunal.
So why are you saying that Indian men go shorter than
Why are we talking about
men?
sex all the time? I want to talk about your show, the news that wasn't.
I gotta
Then we'll
say,
talk about
Indian
sex.
men are pretty horny.
Did you say Indian when?
Men.
Oh, because Indian men always say when. What are you saying? Indian men are pretty boring, is it? Okay.
Horny.
1 second. We abandoned the conversation on the news that wasn't.
Horny.
So let me set this up. We have to remove news that wasn't. The show was supposed to plug the show, but that's not happening because no one wants to do
We'll
it.
plug it. Your show is a long show. It goes on forever, doesn't it?
It does.
That's
It
also
does.
true.
Yeah. Don't judge by my sexual prowess. Back to you. Young lady, you said Indian men are really horny.
Aren't they?
I want to get up and leave the show because it's the most insulting. Who the hell thinks that other men are not horny? Do you think only Indian men are horny?
No, but you're telling me that Indian men can't last that long? They can.
That's got nothing to do with being horny.
Well, they are.
That's proficiency and prowess and
they're
ability.
just like, I'm done in 2 minutes. You know what? I'm going to get back on that wagon again.
Amit, why aren't you saying anything?
Let's end this
You're an Indian man.
I'll end this really fast, okay?
Okay.
This argument.
Is that what you tell all the ladies?
Metaphorically, yeah.
Cyrus is very horny, but he doesn't last for very long.
How do you know? What the hell? How the f*** do you know?
I've been told.
You've been told my ass. How the f***
Views on TripAdvisor have said these things.
I'm
Okay.
never calling him on the view when a guest bunks. I'm never calling him on the view. Sorry. I can think of another word with B I'd like to call him. A nice Hindi word. So getting back to you, how can you say Indian men are horny and others are not? Have you been with other men?
I never said others were not. I just
Oh,
said
so then
Indian
why
men were horny.
categorize us?
Does
I find
that
that
mean
racist.
that-
Racist. You think
I'm
Bangladeshi men
Malayali,
are
we're
not
all
horny?
racist.
Bangladeshis are growing faster than Indians, by the way, and they're growing faster in India.
Growing like height or
Like they're
growing in
having children all the
population?
time, lots of sex.
How do you know this? You've never even been to
I
Bangladesh.
study countries and demographics. You tell me the country, I'll tell you fast or slow.
Singapore,
Slow.
Thailand,
Slow.
Australia.
Medium.
But Cyrus is
lot of
right.
Indians.
Russia.
Lot of Indians.
Bangladeshis,
Hugely fast.
Bangladeshis are procreating faster and faster, and we know this as a fact because all of them who get produced over there come to India. So
now we've lost one more country. Our
We
podcast,
go.
or rather our audio interview cannot go to certain countries. Anyway, Amit, you haven't said a word so far. And I wanted to talk about our new show, The Daily Show, since we had an opportunity. But since the producer, writer, Kunal Vijayekar is more interested in horny Indian men and May's views on it, we have to abandon that.
Thank you.
So-
No, we'll come back to it.
We'll
You
come
can
back.
come
my
back to
plugs,
this
but we'll come back
anytime
to
you
it.
want.
Plugs. No, again section innuendo. Stop it, will you? Stop it, both of you. And stop attacking Indian men. You know, I want to stand up for Indian men, no
Hey,
pun
I
intended.
never said that being horny was a bad thing.
No, but the way you said it, like it's only Indian men
No,
who are
because
dirty
you're
leches.
talking about.
Go
I
around
never
the
said
world
the
and
word
see.
lech.
Men suck.
See, you're putting words in my mouth.
Okay, stop it. This
But does that mean that Indian women are not horny?
No, I never said that either. Just because I
according
say
to you,
positive
I've never
doesn't
been
mean
with an
there's a
Indian
negative.
woman. According to you, so what difference does it make? Huh. Now, time to set up our show on The View. Tonight, we have lots of interesting subjects. Amit, what is our first topic, which we'll get into with these
Let's talk
philosophers?
about Augusta Westland.
Augusta Westland. Let's start with May, who really likes her when it comes to
No,
politics.
it's not May, it's Augusta.
Stop it.
Am I Augusta now?
What are your views on The View? On Augusta
The view?
Westland and
I'm
the
still,
Congress
I'm still
bashing that's
thinking
going on in
about
Parliament.
like I'm just thinking about horniness still. Like this Augusta Westland thing is just not.
I think we've lost one.
I think
You
one
lost
on,
me.
man.
I
One
drawn
member of the
off
panel.
Serious
deep
news
end.
idea is done.
Serious news idea is done.
Augusta Westland, for God's sake, will you leave Indian men alone and talk politics? Well, not politics, more
No,
like
I refuse
controversial
to talk politics. You guys talk politics, and I will listen.
Okay, Kunal, your views on The View as against on the news that wasn't. The fact of the matter is, I've come to the conclusion that it's almost engineered to make the Congress look bad and being pushed. This is agenda-driven and not exactly about the crime.
Well,
per se.
it may be. I do not know the details of the Augusta Westland, but obviously somebody's made money along the way, okay? But it's nothing new. It's happened from the beginning of time in this country.
course.
Everybody on every defense deal
But
makes
should
money.
the government
This
be
is what
wasting
we've
so
known.
much
We've
time
learned this.
pushing the agenda on a controversial subject to make the last government look bad because that's what they want to do? Or worry about the more
Yeah, but
important
no,
issues which are
but
there
that's
from Uttarakhand fires downwards to
But that's a
infrastructure?
deeper, that's a deeper thing that has been happening since this government, or rather, since even the Congress in the last 1 year of its power, is that when the BJP was in opposition, they did everything to pull down the government without letting the
So
government
are we now
function.
getting infantile
they're
governments
doing
across the
Yes,
state?
absolutely. They're doing tit for tat.
And when I say tit, young lady,
They did
Hi,
this to me. I
I'm
did
back
this
again.
to you. Yeah, there you
Hi.
go.
now that you can have a voice
Tits
in
and
the
tats.
conversation.
That's what I'm here
Let's
for.
let's talk to a neutral. I think we've got our own views, but Amit is a
Okay.
bit more neutral on this. Amit, do you think they're wasting time with these Augusta Westland thing,
Well,
or we
so-
need to bring perpetrators to book?
We need to bring perpetrators to book, but the question is this a vendetta or is this a systemic change? If it's a vendetta, then I mean, like, well, who gives a shit? Right? I mean, like, it's all
Of
the
course,
same.
it's a
Okay.
vendetta also.
No, but is it basically bringing systemic change? Are we looking at now trying to make it so that it's not so easy to make money on defense deals? Are there things that are happening on the back end to help out? with
Firstly,
it?
let's understand, you know what the choppers were? They were VVIP choppers. 4 or 5 choppers to be bought just for the super powerful who obviously can't take Uber for some reason. I'm just thinking, is that what the country needs? To worry about the VVIPs again?
Well, no,
I'm all for VVIPs and the choppers. Absolutely. Okay.
As
As
am
long
I.
as
So
they
should
stay,
you be.
You
as long as they
Brahmins!
stay off the
You
road.
Brahmins!
I want
As long
Fadnavis
as
to
they
be
stay off
using
the
a damn
road
chopper to go from his house
and
to the
don't block our
Mantralaya.
roads, take choppers for all you. We're
Yeah.
paying for them. Take it.
Take it, please. Choppers for
Why can't I
everybody.
get the chopper?
Shop us forever.
Why can't we use the chopper?
all MLAs
Cyrus,
give it
because
to
where are you going to
every.
land it? Here in Lokhandwala.
Yeah, I live in Lokhandwala.
That was a
okay?
little local racism from
Local.
South Mumbai's very own
I know.
proud
Can I
son,
just say,
Kunal
I'm in the
Vijayekar.
minority
If you're listening
here.
to this show
I'm losing this
outside,
battle so badly.
If you're living outside Mumbai and Mumbai's cultural politics, this is Kunal's way of making fun of the people who live beyond South Mumbai.
I'm not making fun of
it's a
it.
I
form
live,
of
but I live like
geographism.
Lokhandwala.
But,
There's
you know,
nothing.
Kunal
There's
lives-
legit
Kunal lives at
Kunal.
the
I
border,
swear to you.
right? I mean, like,
I live in
swear
Lokhandwala.
I'm
But not by choice.
Even Lokhandwala.
He's born and bred in
there's-
town proper. So for
Town
him,
proper.
you know.
Let me talk now.
You know,
But
I
May doesn't want to
live.
say anything. anything.
I want
Except
to.
horny Indian men.
You're talking about Lokhandwala. I agree with you. I live in Lokhandwala. There's literally nothing beyond me but marshland and then Mud Island.
And horny
That's
Indian
it.
men.
But having said that, please don't get me wrong. I don't mean anything.
Then go and live in
against-
Lokhandwala.
No, no,
Put your money where your mouth is.
No, but I don't want
Go and
to
stay.
live in Lokhandwala.
Go and stay
Yeah,
there.
he can live wherever he wants.
If you really like it, don't be a
It's
fraud,
just-
Kunal. Don't come on the
it's
show.
just that it takes me a hell of a lot of time to
Takes
commute here.
me a hell of a lot of
Well,
time
that's
to
all I'm
commute to
saying.
you also.
Why should I say?
So land your
I'm not
helicopter in
racist.
Lokhandwala. The way you said it, the lack of respect and disgust.
No, but that's because Lokhandwala has space to land a helicopter. Now, where else are you going to land a
So does
helicopter?
Nivin if you get permission. Hello.
Worli Seaface,
Last-
race course.
Last
one.
one,
Race course.
last one on Augusta Westland. Will something come off it, or will this die a natural death?
I'll tell you what, the Congress will find something about to Tom about the BJP.
How the
in
fires were
Parliament.
in Uttaranchal were started by the BJP.
Yeah,
There'll be
some
there'll be
rubbish
way
will
of-
start
yeah.
like this. They will fight.
You got to spin it. It's all about
Yeah.
spinning. That's what it's all
Spin
about.
is
It's how
the
you
win.
make
Okay,
noise
now
on
let's
these
move to my
channels.
second topic. I want to leave Augusta Westland. This is my favorite topic.
Okay.
Donald Trump is now almost a guarantee
Yeah.
as the Republican nominee.
Yes, he is.
And this is
Jesus.
something the
This is
jokes have to be
The
pushed
jokes
aside.
are done. I mean,
The
like,
jokes
seriously,
are
I
done.
have nothing else to say anymore.
When
'cause
we
it's been
did
said.
that Independence Day special, that
Right.
time you were talking about Donald Trump. I was like, no way that this guy ever
We all
wins.
thought it was like a
it
little
was a
fire that
joke.
would be put out soon. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a joke. I mean, like the fact that he is actually, it shows
And the
that
biggest
there's
fear is that across America, white men are going to have the same haircuts. And that's going to be huge.
a Donald Trump haircut.
Donald Trump haircut will become big because they do idolize him, those that follow him. They're huge fans.
Well, I don't know about wanting his hair.
If he does become the Republican nominee, which is now almost a guarantee,
Yeah.
will he win the presidentship? Will he win the presidency, rather?
Well, I said no shot for becoming the
Yeah,
Republican
and you were
nominee.
wrong.
I was wrong.
Yeah.
And
But
you're the American. You live there.
I seriously doubt
I
it.
want
though.
you to be right, and I don't want it. Like,
But
why?
I don't know.
But what's
Because,
so bad about him? I mean, have you eaten Mexican food, for example? I mean, just asking.
okay.
There's a
Can
connection.
I contribute one intelligent
Please.
comment?
You are a Londoner.
love that.
And you hate
Kunal.
Lokhandwala. How does your life get affected by Donald bloody
One
Trump?
intelligent
Kunal is
comment.
he's great. I
Yeah.
want Kunal to talk
The
to.
fact of life is that he has been voted in, nearly voted in as a Republican
True.
thing. That means people like him, whoever these
Hey,
people
Amit,
are.
explain.
So
Which
this,
also
this is a
means-
primary system.
Yeah, explain the primary
whatever.
system for a
So-
second.
So, the fact is that it's democracy. People are voting.
No, but
Somebody
it's not. It's not populist voting.
Agreed. Oh, but maybe a populist voter. I don't know the
it's-
details.
it's not, it's not. What happens
indirect-
with- what happens
it's
with
direct
prim-
election as against indirect. Can you explain
So,
it?
so
Yeah.
what happens with primary voting is that only the Republicans vote for this, right? So in a primary election, the candidates from each of the different
Areas.
parties, the Democrats
Yeah.
and the Republicans, they have their own primaries, and the Republicans vote in the Republican primary, Democrats vote in Democratic primaries. The only people who vote
So
in
when you have
primaries.
an Illinois primary, for example, who votes in the Republican Party?
So the Republican registered Republicans from Illinois vote in the Republican primary, but the primary is not the main election, right? So the tendency, the number of people who vote, it's like 10% and less of the normal that vote in a general election
So
will vote in a
10% of
primary.
card-carrying holders of Republican Party in Illinois.
10% of, so normally US has like a 60% turnout, 50-60% turnout for the popular elections, for the presidential elections. Of that, 10% will
So
vote in the
6%
primary.
of the population
will
basically
vote in the primary.
is an average you're
It's a
looking at.
very small number who votes in the primary, so it's
But you
not
can't
that
look at it as
difficult.
a sample study and say this is what it's
Well,
going to
so
be.
the thing is, it's very, I don't want to say easy, but it's very possible for primary elections to be hijacked. You know, and that happens. Like Howard Dean a few years ago, before Obama, the election before that, the 2004 election, I think it was. That time, Howard Dean won New Hampshire and Iowa and a bunch of different states from the Democratic side. And it was, again, he wasn't a candidate who anybody thought would ever win.
Forget
but
that. He was a dean. He's an educated man, a man of letters. I'm sorry to upset
But
you.
not
yeah.
so much. But yeah, but still, you know, I mean, the thing is that he was
No,
able.
So let's cut to the chase, Amit, quickly. What does that mean? 6%? So who's voted for? What
So
representation
the
has
most
voted for him?
rabid people who are in politics, the people who are like into politics,
So he's
who
got
really
the actual right-wing vote, is what
the
you're saying.
actual right wing, like the really heavy right wing, and the same on the Democratic
The
side. Why
Kunals
is
of
Bernie
America,
Sanders?
those who look down on Lokhandwala, their version.
Yeah, pretty much. But why is Bernie Sanders doing so
just
well as well,
jacked
right?
all
Because
the
again,
time.
the primaries are easy to
He's
kind
got
of.
the liberal vote.
You get the extreme flanks of your party
Okay,
to
so
vote for you.
the right-wing vote, this guy gets, and Baldy gets the other one. I mean,
Bernie-
Baldy, I would say with
Bernie.
respect, because
Bernie.
I'm Baldy
Which,
myself.
if so, what he's saying is that there is hope because there will be a
So
whole
what he's
bunch
saying
of
is that,
people.
what he's saying, it doesn't mirror society as people
As
think.
such.
So what he's saying is there will be a whole bunch of Republicans who will not vote for
Yeah,
Trump.
Yes,
no, so John
hopefully.
Boehner,
So,
John
hopefully,
Boehner,
yeah.
right? I mean, like John Boehner recently had this whole thing anti-Cruz, anti-Trump. It's like so sorry, not John Boehner, Lindsey Graham. He's a senator from South Carolina.
Listen, you can say John Boehner or Lindsey Graham to us
Nobody
because
would
it's like
know.
Amar
All right,
Anthony.
okay,
We have
all
no idea.
So,
May is
Lindsey
astutely
Graham had
nodding
a-
ahead to both names.
I-
Lindsey
am.
Graham had a great quote. So he finally decided
Lindsey
to.
is a man?
Lindsey Graham is a man.
Damn you.
He decided to endorse
excited.
Trump finally, right? So he decided
Horny
to.
Indian man. Huh.
He finally decided to endorse Cruz.
Cruz.
And it was like, I'm either going to get shot or I'm going to get poisoned.
What are you saying?
And he's like one of the most senior senators in the
By the way,
Republican
what do you call
Party.
Ted Cruz during Christmas?
Santa
Cruz. Yeah, well done. Good shit. And 5 on 10. We're still here on The View, and Amit is complicating what would have been a simple process. Now we've lost all our listeners. He's just made it so difficult. But what
I'm
we
sorry.
do understand is just a sample study actually turn out to vote. They are the fringes or the extremes of society,
Of both
this way and that,
parties, yeah.
or even down the middle. And that's the kind of sense we are getting. So he will not, in Amit
I hope
Doshi's
not.
mind, he will not win the
You
elections.
never know. That
You
is
never
the
know.
fear
You
of-
never know.
Then if he does, then America's right wing.
Yeah, it is, but America
hello,
is
hello.
right wing. America
The
is
whole
right
world
wing.
is
Come
turning
on,
right wing.
don't say that.
This is the
I
issue.
love
The issue is
America.
that everybody is turning right wing slowly. Everybody is going for extremist views. We've changed
There is a
as
thought.
as a people. We've changed,
Yes.
I would agree with that
and
too.
it's frightening.
So the worst side of human nature is coming through as May is playing on her phone.
No, it's not the worst
losing
side of
interest
human
in our
nature.
conversation.
I think you people believe that to survive and to be safe, you need to be slightly right wing.
Yeah. No, and I mean, so there are a lot of things
Or is that
around
the
this.
populist thinking and you sort of join it? You feel that's how the wind is blowing?
Yeah.
That also happens.
Yeah, no, but that's exactly it, right? So what winds up happening is that people feel a certain sense of fear. There are so many of these kind of random terrorist acts which scare the crap out of people, right? Whether it's like something
Like
that,
public toilets in Mumbai. I mean, that's a terrorist act. Have you ever been there? I mean, all toilets on Air India after 15 minutes. A terrorist act for me.
No, see, the problem is that most liberals, the real liberals, believe in what they believe because it's a principle
Right.
that it should not happen. There should be, but the people who are right wing are believing it because of circumstances.
Yeah, exactly.
It's the difference,
No, and some circumstances make the right-wing ideology, with the timing is wrong or right, depending on perspective, stronger.
Yeah.
And that also
No, it
helped
makes it
Donald
more-
Trump. Just for example, the
No,
France
there's an
and
emotive-
Brussels issues that happened, the terrorism that happened then,
Right.
it helped his momentum.
No, there's
Bigger
an
us and them
emotion.
sort of issue.
There's an emotional connect to this kind of thing, right? When you talk about the fringes of your parties, there is most definitely an emotional connect to this kind of stuff. So I mean, like you definitely do see.
Go on, Amit, don't worry.
Okay, all right.
We're all listening. Just because May shut her eyes and gone to sleep for 12 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that maybe I should move on from this.
We will move on.
I thought
The
this
last
was
word, last word.
fascinating.
Last
One
word.
thing, I just
Last
got news.
word, he could win, yeah.
I just got news that the High Court has passed an order that you can consume beef in Maharashtra.
Yes,
What are you
I
saying?
just
Yeah.
saw this.
You cannot
I
slaughter.
just
You
saw
cannot
this.
slaughter.
Just.
But I just got this news from somewhere.
What
as
do
I
you
was
cannot
driving.
slaughter, but yet you
You
can
cannot
consume?
slaughter.
So foreign
You
beef.
cannot slaughter, but
Foreign
you can
beef.
consume. Yeah, imported.
This
or from
was the
another
first
state.
thing we spoke
Now,
about
I may
on
be
this
wrong, but
podcast.
this is what I've heard. Okay.
But this is again right wing versus liberal sort of. It's all about the beef. No, people should understand.
I don't even think
it's
it's
about
I
the
think
thought.
it's business. It's business.
So one
It
minute,
is.
let me understand. So
It's businesses,
Kunal,
Muslim businesses. That's kind of
Muslim, Christian.
Yeah,
Uh,
I mean that's a big part of why this beef ban thing happened, right? I mean, like which businesses are involved in cow slaughter?
Yeah.
Who's making a lot of money?
Correct.
It's not.
And you're destroying families actually in
Yeah,
a sense.
I mean, it's.
But Kunal, just explain that again. So you cannot slaughter. So how do you get?
Okay,
beef?
I'm not sure, but this is what is slightly hearsay. But you can consume. So if anybody's brought it in from another state, so from Goa, somebody imports it in, you can consume it. Is that what I'm assuming? I'm assuming that.
I'm just researching it right now.
Okay, we are researching it as we speak because our show is so fresh. We can smell the roses, which is fantastic.
Or can you smell this barbecue?
I can smell you, and there ain't no rose there. We'll come back to the beef issue as and when we get the news, but we do have other stories to talk about. And one of the big ones is the fire. And I'm even forest fires in Australia and the West. Is it man-made? I mean, how can you deny that there's man's hand in the fire?
so of course
How
there
does a
is.
forest fire
But,
happen?
so
Let's
for-
ask our forest expert on it.
I'm not a forest expert, but I mean, like I watch a lot of
I've
television.
seen you
which
at
talks
Forest
about
Road in Mumbai many times. Go on.
So
Okay,
forest.
just quick,
Okay.
like...
You
no,
can't change the subject in the middle of the
sorry.
view.
Is this the beef interruption?
Women should
Yes,
know
it's
their
a beef
place, yaar.
interruption.
It's a beef interruption.
a beef
We'll be back
interruption.
beefly. Come on.
Beefly. So basically, slaughter in the state is still banned, but possession of beef is not. That's what it says. That's what
Okay.
Which is pretty much what we were
So
talking about.
the
you
livelihood
can-
of the
Manslaughter,
Kasais is still affected.
It's still affected.
Because they cannot do business.
But
the customer can,
But
rich
you will
customers
now
can
be
manage.
able to go to Taj
Rich
and get yourself
customers,
like a
rich
nice
customers.
Wagyu beef
So
stand
poor
steak.
customers.
Basically, that's what this is, right? That's what
all
this
it's
is.
about. That's
It's all about making sure that we can.
Hopefully.
Yeah, but that's pretty much what it is, right?
Yeah, because they can always bring in this thing,
You can
an
import.
objection. No,
Well,
you
yeah.
bring in a stay order. Government will bring in a stay order. The High Court will go to
Okay,
the
speaking
Supreme
of
Court
stay
and be
orders,
stuck back again.
let's take
What
a
is
stay
it?
order here for a second. We'll take a break and then come back. All right? So
All right,
take
let's
a
do that.
quick break and get our thoughts together. Because we're in the middle of a very important subject when you swung towards beef again.
Sorry, I got excited. I'm Malayali. I love beef.
I understand that, but there's a forest fire to talk about. There's lives at stake. So stay where you are. And when I say stake, it's STAKE. Am I right?
Yeah, I think that's
hope I'm
right.
right. We'll Google it in the break and come back. Stay where you are.
It was rated Goregaon's most intelligent podcast. It was the best new podcast of the day when it was launched. And now, the irreverent brand of attempted humor and botched education is coming your way. You have many burning questions.
So what is the Brexit? What do mathematicians do, man? I mean,
Introducing Simplified, a weekly podcast that deconstructs issues around you, such as what on earth is Bitcoin?
So Bitcoin is just an other currency like the rupee or dollar. The difference here is it's a virtual currency.
Do resolutions in cameras really matter?
They think that just because a number is higher, what they're getting is actually more.
And encryption.
So encryption, okay, is a process of encoding messages in such a fashion that only the intended recipient sees it in its intended format.
Hosted by Narendra Shanoy, a very wise man who can't stop making PG Woodhouse references. And Deepak Gopalakrishnan, who calls himself Chuck, a madman who can't stop making poor jokes.
Naren, what do you call a forest where you find all the latest news?
I don't have a good feeling about
A
that.
topical rainforest.
Follow Chuck and Naren as they scour Google and read Wikipedia for you and condense it into language you can understand. Simplify, helping you appear smarter to an audience that knows no different.
Right here on Cyrus Says, it's called The View, our special episode, and I've just got a cryptic letter from a fan who didn't like the first half and said, by the way, you're talking over each other. So if it's possible, like a school play, we can talk one at a time. Let's practice first. Hi, friends.
Hello.
Welcome to The View.
Hi.
You spoke while I spoke.
I
Amit.
thought you were done.
No, that's
See,
wrong.
the
I just
problem.
explained that. I set it up. What's wrong with you guys? This is like talking to monkeys.
So, okay, so let's just talk all over each
Yeah,
other.
let's
Yeah,
continue to
forget
talk
it.
all over.
Clearly
each
we
other.
can't
Screw the
make up
listeners.
ourselves.
Who
Yeah.
cares about them
What the
anyway?
hell?
We're like the government.
They don't
it's
know what
not
the
about the
government-
citizens.
they really
now
don't
we
know
are in
what
charge.
See,
No
we
one
can
gives
do
a
an
crap.
Arnav type story.
Of course.
Of course we can.
Yes.
30, 31, 30.
Arnav has changed the Why is that
38,
idiot
40,
counting?
41.
Why are you counting?
Unbelievable.
Don't count. These are desperate times for India. Fire. Forest fire.
Forest
Subject
fire.
number one after the break.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from what I
Man-made.
understand, sometimes forest fires are good for the environment, right? Basically,
What?
Yeah, things need to burn. If they burn, that's how new trees grow.
I tell you, karma has just changed so much since my time.
No,
Listen,
but it's a
animals
farming-
die,
it's a
plants
farming
die,
practice.
trees
It's-
die, livelihoods die, human beings die.
Well, I mean, like, you don't want people to die. You don't want
no.
things to die. But fires themselves basically promote regrowth because what happens is the ashes refertilize the land.
Exactly.
Trees have opportunity to grow again because they're not covered by other trees which are dead
For
or
a
dying.
beef-eating Gujarati boy from New York, you're really strange, man.
This is
No, but this is
no,
this
maybe
is
he's
a farming
right. Maybe
practice.
he's
In
right.
sugarcane fields, they do that in sugarcane
But that's
fields.
when
where
there's
they
excess
burn
and surplus, and
but
God
I mean, like, so
reveals
it's
himself in
there.
mysterious
There-
ways.
Fire. So they say that most forests should burn every 200 years or so.
Well, I think we're breaking that number.
Well, no, but I mean, like, it's not like everything is burning all the time, right? These are different forest fires at different
My
places.
worry
and stuff.
is that how much are we involved as human beings?
so that's a
Causing
question,
this,
right?
Cause and effect. What kind of matlabi reasons are behind it?
That
kind
is
of
another.
thing.
See, those are whole different conversations, and I don't say that there's nothing like that going on.
As a young boy, I remember I was in Malabar Hill when we had a fire. Kunal dropped his cigarette and Auntie Lavania's sari, just boom. Anyway, what was left of Auntie Lavania, I must tell you, was the lower half. And it was not fun. It was not
Of the
fun.
sari or Auntie Lavanya?
Well, she was more or less lower half, if you remember her. A little bit too hippie for me. But,
But
only
there's a
Indian
documentary
men.
running in New York at the moment, and which has been fully supported by the extremely intelligent Sarah Palin, and the documentary is about how global warming does not exist.
Many people think that. That's a huge premise.
Yeah, it's a huge premise that there is no global warming.
There's a lot of people who say, look, you guys are pulling my chain.
This is
You yourself, Kunal Vijayakar, said Americans come up with all these theories that there's nothing harmful about tobacco. Have you not argued about that with me?
Well, tobacco and global warming, two different things. I
No, but
think.
you in the old days said tobacco doesn't hurt you. It's an
Al
American
Gore
myth.
versus Sarah
And I don't believe it. They just want to screw me.
It's possible. I don't want to say that.
Okay, let's talk about global.
But it's like how egg yolks were supposed to be bad for you all this time, and now
now they're
suddenly
good.
they are telling you it's very good to eat.
But it's
egg
bad
yolk.
for the chicken because you're taking away the yolk. But go on. You were saying something about global warming and I interrupted you.
No, I was just saying it's like
Okay,
an
that's
Al
enough then. If
Gore
you don't want
versus-
to, don't want to contribute, go on. May, come on.
I did already. I'm done now.
Is there global warming or not?
I'm scared that our anonymous person is going to tell us we're talking over each other again.
Don't worry. We've shut
Yeah, that's
all
right.
the processes and systems are out of place
You've
now.
shut up?
We've
The
shut
anonymous
everything.
person
Okay, I'll
who you
answer this
don't
question.
even know?
I'll answer this global warming question with as much
Thank God
as I
someone's
can.
listening.
As I
Yes,
can.
yes.
Is that if 97% of all scientists, not being
99.7%.
99.7, but not being Americans but worldwide, agree, then they know better than we do, no? So it must be a problem.
The only
So
scientists who
for
are
Kunal, it's all about
anti-global
statistics.
warming
If you
are
look at his
people who are
porn
being-
collection, statistics
Are
are very
people who
important.
what?
are
Sorry.
people who are being paid by the petroleum companies to do studies. Those are the only people who deny global warming.
All right.
Everybody else pretty much agrees that global warming is a fact of life.
So how many years we got left, Amit?
So
Hurry up with the show, for God's
most
sake. Come on.
pessimistic estimates say that we have already passed peak.
So what do you mean?
We're
What are
on
you
the
trying to
way
say?
down.
We got like 10
we're on the
years?
way towards extinction.
10, 15 years?
A couple of thousand years, but we're on the way towards extinction.
Couple of
events.
thousand years?
Yeah.
Who gives up? Okay.
But
No.
those are the most pessimistic views. Some of the more middling ones are that basically if we don't get this thing under control in the next 20
So
30
which is the
years,
safest country
we have
to
a
be
problem.
in? Which is the last of the Mohicans?
You need to stay away from the coasts. You need to stay away
we're screwed.
from...
Oh, yeah, we're totally...
Yeah.
Bombay is
Got coast
screwed.
everywhere.
But that's pretty much it. I mean, like, and once the coasts are no longer where they exist
Forget
right now,
that,
nobody
we
knows what
dug
the
up
weather
so much,
patterns
we
will
brought
be.
the coast all into the mainland. There is no coast. The coast and the mainland are the same thing.
No, but,
we reclaim so much.
I will not have a house in 25 years if this global warming doesn't stop, right? I mean, like, my house will be covered with water.
Why? You live next to me. What are you trying to say?
I live at the foothills, man. I don't
So what?
have
I'm 20 feet away. How? I get
You
one
live
day
on
more.
top of the
You're
hill.
Tuesday, I'm Wednesday.
Dude, you
You
live at the top
sarcastic
of the hill.
I
bastard.
live in the marshland.
Yeah.
I'm going to be gone.
But you deserve it. You live in Malad. What about
I
Malad?
live in
What are you talking about, man? Don't you follow the program?
I'll never win. I'll never win this with you three.
The happiest is Kunal. All these comments make him happy. He's
know,
the
I
biggest.
can
See,
see
I only
the
do it for comedy.
glowing
Amit
smile
only
on
laughs
his
because he likes this kind of thought process, but Kunal actually enjoys it. You understand? What a bigot. 2,000 years. Who really cares? I'm with the 0.3% now. I've just switched completely.
Okay,
Well, I was watching this Jimmy Kimmel show the other day, and he was trying to prove it. And it's very simple. It's global warming. That means the globe is getting warmer. Now, every year, if you look at the maximum temperature, it is increasing. So it is there. It is hotter in 2016 than it was in 2015,
God, it's so
and
hot.
2014, and 2000.
I don't know how Indians stay in India. If I was an Indian, I'd have left. Honestly. I just don't know. It's just so hot. You just think about it. I've gone to 7 cities for various reasons in the last 10 days or 12 days, and each city is worse than the other. And then I leave Delhi, and it goes from 47 to 24 the next day. It's like sarcasm.
But
Mr. Kejriwal, how dare you?
But you should think about this, because Malad is cooler than Malabar Hill.
Yeah, but how do I get to Malad? I'll reach Delhi faster.
I
Give me
don't
all
think you're
those
joking
choppers.
about that. I really don't even think you're joking about that.
No, I'm serious.
Yeah.
Mumbai road travel with this kind of weather in this
Getting
season?
to Mud Island, I think you would get to Delhi
You
faster
want to
for
cure
sure.
ISIS? You want to cure ISIS of terrorism? Make them travel from Malbai Hill to Malad every day by car. You see what happens. In 5 days, give it all up. They'll become middle-line marketing executives in Nariman Point, take whatever job they get.
Why
no
Nariman
parking.
Point? You need to vacate Nariman Point now. It's become too crowded.
Nariman Point is already empty.
Nobody's there.
It
All
literally is there. All the
Hello,
offices are
gonna
empty.
at
back
7 o'clock, Marine Drive traffic. Look at Marine Drive
Okay,
traffic. How
listen,
can it be called
you're
empty?
leaving May out by
Marine
discussing
Drive
geography
is
that's beyond
good,
her reach. Sorry about that.
Hey, so my last office was at Nariman
Bhagwan
Point,
Devi
right?
traffic.
And over there in that building right now, like on the floor that I was on, half the offices are empty.
No, I know. Some of the offices are empty.
One
They were
minute.
going at the
May
rates and also
wake up.
crashed.
Come down,
But
yeah.
Marine
Boring
Drive
conversation
traffic
ever.
going
Talking
to
about
north
traffic,
does
talk about daily
not
traffic.
does not end.
Will you two South Bombay boys stop your problem areas in geography?
That's
Nobody
actually-
cares.
Marine Drive traffic is
global
for the
warming.
market
People
areas,
care.
Kalba
Nobody
Devi
stop
and,
it. Amit.
Okay.
Stop talking about South Bombay geography. Your lives are so insular. You sound worse than the
Okay, let's check.
worst.
I think we got
You
very
forgot
unfair.
top
Very
20
unfair.
Uber traveler?
Where is Kalba Devi?
South Bombay?
Well done, mate. Super.
No.
And Cyrus, where is Kalba Devi?
South Bombay. What's your point of view? Geography lesson? I was here on the View to discuss views. Now let's talk elections. Kerala and Bengal right in the middle of it. So
I could ask you some questions too. You know where Asalfa is?
do you not pay attention to the anchor?
You got me here.
Yeah.
Where?
Does the
There's a
anchor
place
not
called
come on the show?
Asalfa.
I
It
changed the
sounds like-
topic.
Where is it, bud?
Asalfa my ass.
Sounds
Look
like
here.
the female version of Viagra. Like I don't even know what Asalfa is.
but where is it?
Asalfa.
Why do women need Viagra?
I know.
sorry, Asalfa.
But where is
Say
Asalfa?
Viagra.
Isn't that Malayalam for Viagra? No, I'm asking.
Asalfa
Where?
is Andheri East side between Jagrati Nagar. No.
No.
You know Ghatkopar.
Is this show going to be about bloody
Yeah.
points in Mumbai? Let me just set
Now
it up.
I'm
This
going to
is-
ask a question.
Yes, go
Where's
ahead.
Asalfa?
Where is Prime Minister Road?
I know that. That Prime Minister Road, I know.
know.
That is the road that goes from Link Road to Veera
Desai
Desai
Road.
Road.
Guys, can you keep quiet?
Right here outside the studio. It's called Prime
I know
Minister
that.
Road.
Okay, guys, just 1 second. I have to apologize to the listeners. I apologize for this show and for the last 3 minutes, which has
For
become
the
a geography
travelogue?
bashing. It became a jihad in geography in Mumbai, and I cannot control these 3 monkeys who are going berserk here in the studio. I do apologize, and I will bring it back on track. We're discussing West Bengal and Kerala in the peak of
Asalfa.
elections.
Asalfa.
Asalfa.
I think that
Never
target is
forget
done.
that.
We will
Ever.
leave the elections aside and move on to the next topic. Go ahead, pick a topic.
I was excited.
I think
about
we should not be discussing Tamil Nadu elections with the troubles that we have.
I didn't even mention Tamil
Tamil
Nadu.
Nadu.
If you were paying attention, it was
Kerala.
Kerala and Bengal. If you were paying attention. But since your geography is so strong in Mumbai and absurd outside the cities in Mumbai. Unbelievable, the three of you. And look at you. What brownie points are you getting trying to say, do you know this road? Nobody knows the names of the bloody roads. They change the names. They have 5 different names.
Everybody names the road. Knows the name of the road. Besides Cyrus, everybody
What
knows.
is Kem's Corner's real name? The name they've given it?
Adeshir Godrej Chowk.
What is Hutatma Chowk? I
You're
thought
both
Oh my
right.
God.
Flora Fountain.
Hutatma's for... Okay, all
You're a
right.
couple of kilometers away, but you're good. You're good. May you really
Adeshir
did
B.
badly in the
Godrej
geography
Chowk.
quiz.
I'm
Is Kem's
terrible.
corner.
All right. Can we move from the geography for a second?
Yes, we should.
To more important things like mundane Kolkata.
Okay.
There's a lot of murders happening. The TMC is TMC I thought was the brutal party,
Okay.
but TMC guys are getting murdered. It's really
By-
strange for me.
Communists?
Yeah.
But
Or-
I can't tell.
Well, they seem to be the opposition. at the moment,
Maybe
so-
landlords. You don't know what's happening.
Communists are always opposition. It's permanently opposition.
Well, not in Bengal for the longest time.
Well,
no?
Bengal and Kerala, no.
That's where the elections are, right? Except for the other place, which is not to be named.
Okay, so y'all are not interested in my election
Kerala?
conversation.
No, Tamil Nadu.
Arey, Cyrus, you asked the question, now answer it. Now, who is murdering
No,
everybody? in
look at your
Bengal?
passion. Your passion for Prime Minister Road is different from when I mentioned elections. in
And also
other parts of
knowing
the-
where the hell, like,
I mean, he's a
Asalfa
regionalist. If I ever have known a regionalist, this is him. Look at the bigot. He just deflated like a big balloon. You know, we pricked him and boom, he's gone. Now we want to get him back. Discuss South Mumbai again and see the difference.
Yeah.
He's suddenly full of it, man. All right, Amit, what other topics we got left on the show?
You want to talk IPL?
IPL. I feel it's a bit of a damn squab.
Let me just say, I know nothing about the IPL. I have not
I know
watched a
zero
single
about
match.
the IPL.
And I know nothing about it. So,
So,
you
Cyrus,
can
you want to monologue for a couple of minutes on IPL?
Yeah, I'm a little disappointed. I feel like it's, in your 10th year of marriage or when people date for 10 or 12 years, then, you lose the luster sometimes, especially if you're still dating the same person. If you date other people with the same person, it's different. But, I think that's what's happened. It's lost a little luster because of longevity also. Maybe we should put it to rest. Do the Chinese thing. Give it 5 years off and then come back. What do you
No,
guys
but
think?
then look, if the Olympics are popular every 4 years, maybe they should do the IPL every 4 years.
I think so.
I
makes
don't
sense.
think the
I'm good
IPL
with
is
the idea.
complaining about their
Yeah. I
think you're-
popularity.
They're limping along fine. They're
They're
okay.
doing just
But
fine.
the TV ratings are down 27%. This is a fact.
But that's...
But it's still good business. They're still
That's-
making
yeah,
money.
I mean, like, and those are cyclical things, right? I mean, the TV ratings are down right now. They'll go back up. I mean, like, these things, depending on what's going on in the match themselves, right? I mean, like, the matches themselves, based on that, people are getting excited or they don't get excited. This is
Also,
a kind
the fact is that our population is getting bigger. It's all a question of maths. If you look at it, the houses get smaller, more people. There's no space for television sometimes. Someone has to take the fall. So it's literally becoming where we had 2 TVs in the house, we have back to 1 TV. Because we're 7 people and just 100 square feet.
No, but you've got back to 1 TV and 6 phones now.
That's true, but not everybody
And
can
a computer
down,
and laptops
get
and
live
iPads
streaming and all.
and
It's not that
like-
easy. Kunal, only South Bombay gets all these facilities. Please understand, rest of Mumbai doesn't get it.
Let me ask you this. When was the last time you ever streamed anything, man?
I know, exactly. What are you talking
The whole
about?
world watches this stuff
The
on
only
Hotstar.
stream I'm interested in
Well,
is
he's
Dolly
streamed
Parton's
Southern
Islands in the
Things
stream.
on his
Okay,
phone.
that's fair point. Okay.
Why do you think it catches viruses and crashes?
Yes, it is. I plead the fifth. There's some truth in that. I better not implicate myself in this situation. And I do run out of GBTPP very quickly for some reason. when it comes to-
GBTPP? That's
Yeah.
what it's called?
That's an auditorium at Nariman Point.
Back to South Mumbai. You see the guy? He's awake. He's full of beans. He's jumping around. Crazy dragon. All right. Before we wind up, let's go into our section which we like the most, which is the AMU. We have some questions. The AMU would be a party. The AMA would be the better one.
Yeah,
Let's
you're
go
right.
for the AMA. Okay, let's ask Kunal. Kunal, do you know what AMA is?
American Music Awards.
Get the hell
That
out of
is
here.
also true.
It's absolutely
That
correct,
is
your
not-
answer. So get the hell out. Never show yourself here. I miss my guest who cancelled. And here it is, Amit Doshi with the AMAs.
If you have any questions for Cyrus, write to us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or you can send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
And here, if my guest will keep quiet on the view and let one anchor's voice take over.
Apologies.
Thank you. We have questions. And Amit, the first question is,
So, Cyrus, did you get a chance to watch The Jungle Book?
I did not, as I tell everybody, at 400 rupees a pop in that Inox, I can't watch it. And I'm spoiled. I can't watch Sterling either. So for me, it's difficult. And I can't come to Lokanwala.
What about
What
PVR?
about PVR Lower Parel?
It's $350 for an IMAX ticket.
It's,
Yeah.
I've got 2 kids. It's always about 2,000 rupees every time I see a movie. It's just not worth it. I could produce a film in that kind of money.
2,000 rupees Jungle Book? Yeah, sure. You can
Really?
get a
Yeah,
shot.
well, there's no costumes.
Easy.
Yeah,
peasy.
no costumes, no animation, no director. named
Couple of
John
kittens,
Favreau.
one stray
Yeah.
dog, one Indian kid begging outside the car. Boom, I got my film.
No, I saw Jungle Book. It was. I enjoyed it thoroughly.
When did you see
I
it?
saw it.
Why did you take
in
my kids?
IMAX.
But why didn't you
because
take
somebody took
Mikhail
me
Maya?
for it.
Who took you? What adult takes you to see Jungle Book?
Yeah, we 4 adults went to
Who
see
are these 4 adults? Who the hell are you?
Hey, but I've had a lot
Michael
of people
Jackson
tell me
died.
that
Who took you?
Cousins. Anyway,
Who? Your cousins?
Yeah. So
Rahul Welkar, your cousin?
No.
Some other cousins?
Yeah, Monica.
Monica?
Doshi. Yeah.
Dr. Monica Doshi. Oh, God. You
So
guys are hilarious.
You're
it's a
related to
great
Doshi?
film. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
related to Doshi.
Yeah. Oh, they're super rich Doshis.
I
You need to
never
check your
felt
bloodline.
more
Yeah.
left out than right now. Only South
So,
Indian in
no,
the
it's a
room.
great film. It's fantastic. The only thing about the film that I missed terribly is the songs.
Oh, there were no songs?
They were there, but they were there for, they were there, just like there, you know. The King Louis song.
What are you saying? No King Louis song?
So a lot of
the
people
song.
have told me that they preferred the first version.
Yeah.
I've met so many people who just like the first
Musically,
version.
yes, but this
Yeah.
is it's
But the actor who played Mowgli in the
spectacular.
first version is now 204. So
You know what's been...
He was a drawing.
I know that.
He wasn't.
But what's being passed around like crazy, like, you know, you remember those gold spot things?
Yeah.
So the
The books?
yeah, the books
Yeah,
and
yeah,
stuff
yeah, I
like that.
love
People are
those.
passing that stuff around like mad.
It's just the symptomatic of the times that we live
Yeah.
in, that we can't actually do things ourselves now. So it's done with the hand, and sports are played out with your fingers, and that's just another way to do it. Right. Next
All right,
question.
sure. Okay. The
I
next
think I
question.
missed a generation with this gold spot thing. I only know gold spot is a drink.
Oh, you don't know about the gold spot, like the Jungle Book back of the cap kind of thing? So when the original
No
Jungle Book
idea what
movie
you guys
came,
are talking about.
It was in our childhood, which is
Thanks
long
for that.
And by
now
the
you
way-
just like basic again. The only
long
South
ago.
Indian. You're
No,
too young.
gold spot is also like if you had jaundice, they would say you've got a gold spot here. Then so many reasons for gold spots. So don't get confused.
it was a big thing to collect these back the caps,
Crowns,
the
crowns.
bottle caps. They had like this plastic thing, and if you pulled them off, and they were like these little
Oh, I know what
animations.
those. They are
Not animations,
on
little
it.
pictures.
You don't know what gold spot is? Or you don't know the...
I know gold spot the drink.
So you know that. Okay.
Yeah, but I don't know what this
Hey,
back of
Father
the
Hubbard, what the hell are you doing?
Hubbard.
Can I tell
Why
you...
should you know what gold spot is?
clarify.
Gold spot is not Sunil bloody Gavaskar.
But
Who
can I
is
tell
gold
you-
spot?
can I
It's just a
tell you-
drink.
My gold spot story,
Yeah,
can I
go
tell
on,
you?
tell us your
So
story.
please tell me. I want to
Okay,
know.
so you know where the Andheri flyover is?
Yes.
You know Andheri flyover? You?
Everyone knows
The
Andheri
Andheri flyover, the big
Gold
one.
Spot
Okay,
Factory.
so if you take a right under the Andheri, you go to Sahar. Okay, at
Yeah.
that corner is the Gold Spot factory.
Yes.
Okay, in the old days, that was the end of the city. The city ended at the Gold Spot factory. There was nothing beyond.
How do
it.
you feel about that, Kunal? Now that it
I
doesn't
feel
end there?
very old because I seem to remember this, you know.
And you were
there,
happy
there was
that
a
it
white
ended
building
there.
with a big Gold Spot bottle on top, and that was the end of the city.
And it said the end.
Yeah.
Right there. There was a big sign.
Yeah.
It was just
Oh, God.
jungle after that.
Yeah.
And no book.
This is like, I felt like this when I went to visit my cousin in Mira Road, and you literally go through this huge archway that says "Welcome to Mumbai," and you
Right.
exit out, and that's like your gold spot.
Yeah.
Andheri is my Mira Road.
And then under Welcome to Mira Road, there's laughter, derisive laughter. I hate that when a signboard does that.
I
It
know.
makes me feel
It's kind of
terrible.
annoying.
Next question.
Next question is so, Kunal, you've lost a lot of weight and you quit smoking. How have you done?
And you're not married, so there's no reason for that. So why? What? How?
Well, you know what the price of a packet of cigarettes now is? It's
That's
240 rupees.
For 10.
For a pack of 20.
130 for a 10.
Yeah. And I was consuming 40 cigarettes a day, which means what is the calculation?
You're consuming 40
a day.
cigarettes a day and you
That's
smoke 5 or
500
6
bucks
of
a day.
them. So I mean,
500
it's
rupees
hell
a
of
day of cigarettes, which is nearly 6,000 bucks a month, which is a lot of money.
a lot of money. That's
That is a
basically
lot.
what I make
I
on
didn't
this show.
even realize that.
Yeah.
So,
So basically, economic choices. Thank you, Government of India, for taxing heavily the cigarettes, destroying lobbies. You've saved a life at least.
Is it just quitting smoking that's caused you to lose weight, or
no. That's a
exercising?
second effort. I think just one year at a time, I'm just doing things to my body. This time I thought I'd lose a little weight because I put on 10 kilos when I quit smoking. I quit smoking, and in a year I put on 10 kilos because
you
oral
get hungry.
Put
fixation.
various things in his
Yeah.
mouth to make up for the cigarette, like big pineapples and watermelons.
Cigarettes kill your appetite too, right? I mean,
That too, absolutely.
So
Anyway, but he's done very well. 9 weeks, 9 kilos. And now next year, what is your ambition? Now that you've lost weight, you've given up smoking. What about being a better human being? When does that happen? How many years to go?
I'm a very good human being. What is wrong with that?
You are the worst person I've met in my life. You
With
are
such conviction, I said that.
You are
I know.
such a mean,
And we
bigoted,
all believed you. Like, all of us were like, you
There
are
was
lovely.
there was real silence. on
Yeah,
that
because we
statement.
all actually thought you were being genuine. Like, that's so sweet.
No, it's like, how Adolf Hitler had his own version of who
Like,
he
you could
was.
all
and
you could
can't
do is
exactly
hold up a
understand.
puppy in your
He thought he
hand
was-
and just be like, I
everybody's thinking
love.
of their own story.
Absolutely, and a very charitable and compassionate human being in his own mind.
In his own story, yes.
And so is Kunal. God, he needs therapy. All right, I think that winds it up for us here on another session of The View. Whenever a guest disappears, we will be back with The View, all 4 of us, or at least 3 of us. We can't guarantee Kunal coming this side of town. So
I'm so impressed.
South
Kunal,
Mumbai
yeah.
snob.
But listen, the technology you can set up on mic over there near my
is true.
house. We'll do it.
We can do that.
Well, I think we can.
We can.
We can set up a mic between your legs so you don't move at all.
There's no space between my
It can
legs
do
at the
plenty of
moment.
functions to keep you happy.
Space between-
Whoa, why? No forest fire there? Not so far. All right, that's it from all of us. We'll say bye-bye in May's inimitable way. May?
Bye.
That's good. Good for me.
If you admire Cyrus's bosoms just like we do, follow Cyrus Says on Facebook and Twitter. And that's what Cyrus says.
All right, if you've listened to the show called Cyrus Says and you want your money back, let me tell you, that can't be done right now. But we can make you feel better if you listen to Made in India. That's M-A-E-D, Made in India, with May. There's no D in May. Although, maybe one day.
Our podcasts bring all the boys to the yard, and damn right, they're better than yours. But you don't need to stand outside in the yard. Just follow IVM Podcasts on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We might be on Tinder too. Just go ahead and swipe right.